Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Jessica, and I'm your teacher today.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm learning English, and I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy you're here too, Jack. Today we have a very important topic. We will talk about something many students worry about.
What is it, Jessica?
Today, we will talk about making mistakes. Sometimes people laugh when we speak English, but you know what? That's okay.
Really? I feel nervous when people laugh at my English.
I understand, Jack. Many students feel nervous, but let me tell you something important. Making mistakes is normal. Making mistakes is good.
Making mistakes is good?
Yes, when you make mistakes, you are learning. Every mistake helps you get better.
Oh, I never thought about it that way.
Exactly. So today, we will learn how to speak English with confidence, and we will learn the simple present tense. This will help you speak better every day.
That sounds great. I want to speak with confidence.
Perfect. Let's start. First, let's talk about mistakes. Jack, can you tell me, do you make mistakes when you speak English?
Yes, I make many mistakes. Sometimes people laugh.
And how does that make you feel?
I feel embarrassed. I feel shy. Sometimes I don't want to speak English anymore.
I understand. But here's the truth, Jack. Native speakers make mistakes too. Everyone makes mistakes.
Native speakers make mistakes?
Yes, even I make mistakes sometimes. It's part of being human.
Wow, that makes me feel better.
Good. Now, let's learn something important. When people laugh, maybe they're not laughing at you. Maybe they're laughing with you. Maybe they think you're funny in a good way.
Really?
Yes. And some people laugh because they're nervous too, not because your English is bad.
I never thought about that.
So, remember this. Don't stop speaking. Keep practicing. Every time you speak, you get better.
Okay, I will remember that. Don't stop speaking.
Excellent. Now, let's learn the simple present tense. This is very important for daily English.
What is the simple present tense?
The simple present tense is how we talk about things we do every day, things we do regularly. Let me give you an example.
Okay, I'm listening.
I say, I speak English every day. This is simple present tense.
I speak English every day.
Perfect. Now you try. Say, I study English every day.
I study English every day.
Wonderful. Let's practice more. Listen carefully. I eat breakfast every morning.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Great job. Now let's talk about you and I. These are important. When we say I, we use the base form of the verb.
Base form?
Yes. For example, I walk, I talk, I learn, I practice.
Oh, I see. I walk, I talk, I learn, I practice.
Excellent. But when we talk about he, she, or it, we add S at the end.
We add S?
Yes. Listen. He walks, she talks, it works.
He walks, she talks, it works.
Perfect. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence and you repeat. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I speak English.
I speak English.
She speaks English.
She speaks English.
Good. I practice every day.
I practice every day.
He practices every day.
He practices every day.
Wonderful. Do you see the pattern?
Yes, with I, we, you, they, know us. With he, she, it, we add S.
Exactly right. You're learning fast, Jack.
Thank you, Jessica. This is fun.
Now, let's make this even more fun. Let's talk about daily activities. What do you do every day?
I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
Perfect sentences. Now, tell me about your friend. What does your friend do?
My friend, he wakes up, he brushes his teeth, he eats breakfast.
Excellent. You added the S. You're doing great.
Yay, I'm happy.
Me too. Now, let's practice negative sentences when we say we don't do something.
How do we do that?
For I, you, we, they, we say don't. Listen, I don't speak Spanish.
I don't speak Spanish.
We don't eat meat.
We don't eat meat.
Good. Now for he, she, it, we say doesn't. The S moves to doesn't, so the verb stays normal.
Oh, so we say he doesn't speak Spanish.
Perfect. The verb speak has no S because doesn't has the S.
That makes sense. She doesn't eat meat.
Wonderful. Now you're getting it. Let's practice questions.
Questions 2?
Yes, but don't worry, it's easy. For I, you, we, they, we say do you.
Do you?
Yes. For example, do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
And for he, she, it, we say does he or does she?
Does he speak English?
Perfect. See? You can do this.
I can do this. I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful, Jack. Now let me tell you something important. When you speak English, sometimes you will make mistakes. You might say he speak instead of he speaks.
Yes, I make that mistake sometimes.
And that's okay. You know why?
Why?
Because people will still understand you. Communication is the most important thing.
Really?
Yes, grammar is important, but speaking and trying is more important. Don't let fear stop you.
Don't let fear stop me. I like that.
Good. Now let's practice a real conversation. Imagine you meet someone new. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. I study English every day.
That's great. Where do you live?
I live in... Wait, do I say live or lives?
You say, I live. Good job, because it's I.
I live in United Kingdom.
Perfect. See? You're speaking English right now.
I am, and nobody is laughing.
Exactly. And even if someone laughs, remember, you're brave. You're trying. You're learning.
I'm brave. I'm trying. I'm learning.
Yes. Now, listeners at home, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I speak English every day.
Everyone say it with me. I speak English every day.
Great. Now say, I don't give up.
I don't give up.
Wonderful. One more. I make mistakes and that's okay.
I make mistakes, and that's okay.
Excellent work, everyone. Now, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, review time.
First, we learned that making mistakes is normal and good. Mistakes help us learn.
Making mistakes is good.
Second, we learned the simple present tense. For I, you, we, they, we use the base verb, like I speak or they walk.
Base verb for I, you, we, they.
Third, for he, she, it, we add S, like he speaks or she walks.
Add S for he, she, it.
Fourth, for negative sentences, we use don't or doesn't, like I don't know or he doesn't know.
Don't and doesn't.
And finally, the most important thing, don't stop speaking. Practice every day.
Practice every day. Don't give up.
Perfect, Jack. You did an amazing job today.
Thank you, Jessica. I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful. Remember, listeners, English is a journey. Every day you get better. Every mistake makes you stronger.
Yes, and if someone laughs at your English, keep going. Don't stop.
Exactly right. Thank you for listening to our podcast today. keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
See you next time, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and remember, you can do this.